Get excited about the 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.